Hello, today I'm going to show you a very easy way to create this Celtic knot. Let's open a new document and get rid of the fill. Press the letter L for the ellipse tool or select it from the toolbar panel and draw a big circle. Next, go to the stroke panel and change the weight to 50 points. Be sure the Align Stroke option is set to the center. Switch to the Selection tool. Make sure your Smart Guides are turned on. Select the circle and create a copy. Make sure the center of the copied circle aligns with this intersection. Next, we need to make one more copy and align it with this intersection. First, press the Ctrl and R buttons on your keyboard to show the rulers. Let's zoom in to better see this intersection. Be sure both circles are still selected. Next, click on this corner where both rulers come together, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press and hold down the Ctrl key. Now hover your cursor over this intersection and first release the mouse and then release the Ctrl key. Select one of the circles. Let's zoom in. Now click on the center of this circle, hold and drag. While you are dragging your mouse, press and hold down the Alt key as well to create a copy. Now click on this intersection and release your mouse. We can turn off the guides and the rulers. Select everything and then go to Object and choose Expand. Select only the stroke and click OK. Let's change the fill to white and apply black stroke. Let's adjust the stroke's weight. With everything still selected, go to the Shape Builder tool. Press and hold down the Alt key to get the minus symbol next to the cursor, and then click, hold and drag across the shapes that we don't need. Now release the Alt key and connect the remaining shapes to form the knot. Select everything and group it together. Let's scale it up. Be sure the Align option is set to the artboard and choose the horizontal and vertical align center. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.